So you're studying English. You want to become a better English speaker. Well, let's talk about a couple things that native English speakers say all the time. Now, on this channel, we have a private Discord for members only, and a member, her name is Linda, recently visited the island of Elba. And I did ask her if it was okay to share this information. She put up a very beautiful dish of some sort of seafood. And to respond to her, I said, I'm not really a seafood guy, but when in Rome. That is something probably only a native English speaker would say. So let's talk about the two main parts. First, I said, I'm not really a seafood guy. That's another way to say I don't normally eat seafood. I don't really like seafood. Let's finish the rest of this lesson in my garage because it's just too windy out here. Yeah, it's definitely not as pretty in here, but at least you will be able to hear me. So I was talking about how I'm not a seafood guy. When you don't like something, let's say pizza, you can say, I'm not a pizza guy. I mean, who doesn't like pizza? Or if you identify as female, if you are a woman or a girl, you can say, I'm not a pizza girl. Maybe you don't like country music. You can say, hey, I'm not a country guy. You know what's really popular now is Star Wars. Hey, I'm not a Star Wars guy. I'm actually a Star Wars guy. Let me know in the comments, are you a Star Wars guy? Or are you a Star Wars girl? The next thing I said, well, when in Rome. That is short for a saying we have in English, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. And what that saying means is that if you are a guest somewhere, you should just do what they do if you want the real experience. Now, Elba is an island, so of course, the sea surrounds that island. And I'm sure they eat a lot of seafood. And even though I don't, since I am visiting there, I should do like they do and eat seafood. When you say, when in Rome, do as the Romans do, if you say it to a native English speaker, you can simply say, when in Rome. And it doesn't have to be just Rome. It could be Elba or Australia or the United States. When you are visiting a place, you shouldn't judge them how you live. You should judge them by how they live. If you would like to become a channel member and join us on Discord, there's a link right there in the comment section. Now that you know these two very common sayings that probably only English speakers say, I hope you will feel more comfortable the next time you have to speak English. Thanks for watching. See you next time.